Welcome to Breathe In Yoga Studio. First prayer, close your feet. Both palm namaste in front of your chest. Eyes should be closed. Focus on your breath and start. Today we are going to do Prithvi Namaskara, Prithvi Mantra. Om Prithvi Tvaya Dhrita Loka Devi Tvam Vishnu Nam Dhrita Tvam च धार्यं मां देवी पवित्रं कुरु चासनम् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Rub your palm, place on your eyes. Open your eyes. Start. Warm up first. Start jogging. Slowly start jogging. Continue. Lift your heels, lift your knees. At least 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. Start jogging. Warm up. Continue. Now slowly maximum lift your knees, high knees. 10 seconds more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 1 feet distance between the feet. Hand rotation. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hands down. 10 times, 5 to 10 times. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Stretch your shoulders. Maximum open your chest. Inhale. Expand your lungs maximum while inhaling. Exhale, down. Then reverse. Again, breathe in, up. Breathe out, hands down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. 5 to 10 times. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Good, relax. Now inhale, same position, same distance. Inhale, raise your hands up. Interlock your fingers, palm facing up. Just 10 times side to side bending. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side bend. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side bend. Maximum stretch your side muscles just for warm up. Breathe in, breathe out. Again stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 5 times more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Come back. Both palm namaste. Eyes should be closed. Focus on your breath. Inhale, nostril. Exhale, mouth. 10 times. So next we are going to do Prithvi Namaskara sequence. Earth salutation sequence. It's help to boost your energy in your body. And Earth Yoga Salutation is a beginner yoga sequence. So slowly we are going to do this sequence with breathing. So come to the front on your mat. Close your feet. Just focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. First Namaskara Mudra, prayer pose. Stand straight and both palm namaste in front of your heart. This is Anahat Chakra. Eyes should be closed. Focus on your breathing. Namaskara pose. Increase the concentration. Increase the body balance. And mind, body should be relaxed. Helps to increase your balance. Helps to increase your concentration. Just focus. Om Prithve Namaha. Second asana, Malasana. 2 feet distance between the feet. Bend your both knees and sit down. Just sit on your feet. Maximum open your pelvic with your elbows. Try to spine straight, eyes closed. Feel the stretches and pressure in your pelvic areas. Malasana pose, open your hips, stretch your ankle, lower hamstring muscles, back muscles, and also tone your abdominal muscles and improve the function of your colon to with the elimination. It helps in your elimination. Malasana increase the circulation and blood flow in your body, in your whole body. So just minimum 5 and maximum 20 seconds you have to hold these asanas. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Those people suffering from knee joint and ankle, please avoid these asanas. During pregnancy also avoid these asanas. And if you have weak lower back, then also avoid this Malasana pose. Then mantras. Om Prithve Namaha. Now third asana, Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Slowly you can support. You can take also support or without support. Just lie down 1 foot distance between the feet. Palm facing up toward the sky. Eyes should be closed. Just relax. This is a relaxation pose. Relaxing pose. Mind, body relax. Breathing normal. Just relax and focus each and every part of your body. Shavasana. Calm the central nervous system and immune system. Calm the mind and reduce stress. Just focus. It also helps in reduce headache and insomnia. Because your whole body is completely relaxed. Your muscles relax. No stress, no pain, just relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Relax your whole body. Now those people, back pain issues, neck issues, they can roll the blanket under the knee and under the neck. But if you will do this asanas after yoga, then keep the room dark and cover your eyes with ice bag or any cover. Because this is a relaxation pose, so just focus on your breathing. Good. Now close your feet. Both palm under the buttocks. Uttan Padasana, 30 degree. Inhale, lift your both leg 30. This is Uttan Padasana. Concentrate on your breathing. Just try to hold 10, 20, 30 according to your capacity. Hold. Uttan Padasana prevent the acidity, indigestion, constipation and strengthen the abdominal organ. Also improve the function of reproductive organs and also strengthen the back, hip, thigh muscles and remove the losing your weight, especially your belly fat. Remove gas problem for your intestine. But pregnant women should avoid these asanas, and those people suffering from high BP, slip disc, ulcer or any other abdominal surgery, they should also avoid these asanas. During period time also avoid these asanas. But during period some women feel comfortable, then you can do these asanas. Focus on your breathing. Om Prithve Namaha. Inhale, lift your both legs 60, then open your legs. Uttan Utthit Path Kon Prasarita. Open your both legs as much as you can. Open your hips, open your pelvic. Then again hold. Stretch your thighs, stretch your low back. And same precaution you have to follow. Same like Uttan Padasana. Stretch your ankle, toes, calf muscles, and slowly breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Because Prithvi Namaskara is related to your breathing, beginner yoga. So just focus on your breathing. Slowly try to hold 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, just according to your capacity. Utthit Path Kon Prasarita Asana also helps to losing your belly fat and strengthen the abdominal organ. Just hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Om Prithve Namaha. Now close your feet and hold 90 degree. Try to knee straight. You can take support both palm under the buttocks, under the low back. Ardha Halasana. Hold. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your thighs, back thighs, lower hamstring, calf muscles, ankles, lower back. Relax. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Ardha Halasana also remove the gas from your intestine and good for reduce your belly fat and also strengthen the back, hip and thighs muscles. Tone the abdominal organs and it is good for six pack. If you want a six pack, and you can practice this asana 30 seconds, 1 minute. Good. Now catch your toes and lift your head. Slowly remove your hand, catch your toes, lift your head up. Try to knee straight. Focus between the eyebrow center. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just hold 10 to 20 seconds, 15 seconds according to your capacity. If you have back pain, middle back pain, then you can catch your thighs. Just focus and hold. Stretch your neck, stretch your shoulders, stretch your arms, biceps, triceps, thighs, lower back. If you have severe back pain, then you should avoid these asanas. If you have cervical or neck issues, don't lift your head. Only head down, then catch your thighs. Om Prithve Namaha. Now exhale. Again come to the Shavasana. Slowly come down. 1 foot distance between the feet, palm facing up. Eyes should be closed. Just focus each and every part of your body. Feel the stretch in your thighs and calf muscles, shoulders, neck, whole body. And feel the relaxation from toes to head. Just whole body relax. 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 Next, rolling rolling your spine and come to the Malasana pose. Bend your both knees, hug your knees. First rolling your spine and again come to the Malasana pose. 1 feet distance or 2 feet distance between the feet. Both palm namaste. Open your pelvic, maximum spine, try to straight. Malasana pose. Just focus on your breathing. Malasana pose helps to improve your balance and concentration. Focus between the eyebrow center. This is Agya Chakra. Continue, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Malasana pose tones your abdominal muscles and improve the function of your abdominal organ, pelvic areas. And Malasana pose also increase the blood circulation in your pelvis. Just hold, stay here for 10 to 15 to 30 seconds. Om Prithve Namaha. Inhale, standing on your mat. Stand straight. 1 foot distance, toes and heels parallel to your mat. Eyes should be closed. Come to the Namaskara Mudra, prayer pose. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing, focus on your breath. Your mind, body completely relax. Om Prithve Namaha. Exhale, relax. Hands down, relax. Now sit in any comfortable position, sit down. Spine straight, eyes closed, both palm on your knees or thighs. Pranayama. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, alternate breathing. First, both hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra. Right hand, say close your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Long inhale. Exhale through the right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Then right inhale. Left exhale. Alternate. Slowly and deep breathing. Again inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly focus on your breathing. Observe your breathing. Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Anulom Vilom Pranayama balance the body. Balance the body hormones, balance your temperature, body temperature, and calm your mind. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Five to 10 minutes. You should practice daily this alternate breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So many benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Helps to your blood pressure, reduce your stress, reduce insomnia, and relax your body. Release. Both palm namaste. Take a deep inhale, start Om chant. Shanti Path. Om Vishwani Deva Savitarduritani Parasuva Yad Bhadram Tannayasuva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both palms, place on your eyes, gently massage on your face, open your eyes, relax. Thank you, namaste. See you in the next video with Prithvi Namaskara level 2. Thank you.